All right, welcome to Over the Counter Crypto. I am your host Eric, and today is just Lalo, and I think it's gonna be like that for a while. I guess.
Yeah,
I think everybody has dropped out.
out of eight.
All 10 members dropped out. All right, so Fear and Greed Index, we're at 50, so we have no direction. We're going sideways. Nobody knows when to buy. Nobody knows when to sell. Bitcoin halving clock, 247 days, 16 hours, 40 minutes, and 4 seconds. And it looks like, yeah, it looks like we're live. Cool.
Sure.
Yeah, we're 40 seconds live. All right. Okay, so my analysis. So I predicted that we were gonna go down after the 5 points of going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We usually stop and we come down. We usually do a 1, 2, 3 or what's called the ABC. So this is what I'm predicting. It'll be a A at 27,000. We'll probably go back up at 29,000, and we'll probably drop back down to 25. And usually in September, it's a really bad month. So this is the historical event for September. So you see negative 22, negative in 2021, and so on. We had a lot of negative September months throughout the years, except for 4 years. Everything else was a bad month for Bitcoin. So it does back it up. We'll probably see next month. We'll probably see a drop to 27,000, and then we might see it back up and then drop down again. So that's my prediction. There really isn't much here. Is there any coin you want me to analyze, dude?
I mean, just maybe Star Atlas or ETH.
Mm,
I don't know. You know what they're saying? They were saying that ETH might like explode
ETH.
even more if like a government adapts it.
Let's see what. Let me see. So it looks like, yeah, ETH is just going sideways, dude. Same thing. Yeah,
Another quick one, Star Atlas.
yeah. So it looks like we're just bouncing off of here, off of 17 and 2000. Yeah, until we break those levels, we're really not gonna see anything with Yeah, we're not gonna see anything with ETH. We're just going sideways.
If you want,
So
if you want to do one quick one with PayPal one, you know how they released the PayPal? I don't know if it's a good idea to invest. I mean,
I think it's just a stable coin. I think that one's just gonna be worth $1. It's kind of like USDC. It's kind of I think I haven't done much research on
would it
it.
make a big ass difference? Like a lot of like talking about price up, or it would matter like price it has.
No, it doesn't. It won't matter. What it will matter is that where is it being built? Is it being built inside of Ethereum? I think it is. That would be good for the Ethereum price, because that would mean that PayPal and all of their customers are going to be using the Ethereum network to transact in stable coins, in like with PayPal.
And
So it would benefit Ethereum if that were the case. For Star Atlas, I'm seeing that Polis is getting some traction, because it was at 8 cents and now it's doubled.
16
Nice.
cents. 16.
It's almost, it doubled. It almost went to 18 cent. So what I'm seeing is it might, if it stopped going up, it might retrace back to, come on, brush. It might retrace back to this level at 11 cents. It might do one of those. Let me or not. If we do those points or the 1, 2, 3, it'll be 1, 2, 3. We still got the, you know, it might do something like that. We'll see. It needs to cool down though, so it'll probably drop back down. But Polis will get. Well, actually, let me see. Where's this number coming from? Yeah. So look, from what I'm seeing, we're at a downtrend. Yeah, we're at a downtrend. So we hit here, we'll probably go back here, we'll probably go down, up like that, and we'll slowly keep going down. So yeah, we're gonna slowly come down this channel. We're not gonna see anything until we go above this diagonal line with Polis. So right now, it's still not really a good idea to buy Polis. Maybe right now it's decent, and then once it reaches up here, sell it. But like to invest, right now the timing is not really that good. We're not for sure if they're gonna make it, and it's still, the price is still falling. Yeah, yes, we'll get temporary up prices, but overall it's coming down. So timing wise is not the perfect time to invest a lot of money in Polis. Cool. All right, so what was this all about? This article, Fund Strats, they're saying the Bitcoin price is going to reach $1,800 before the Bitcoin halving.
180,000 for Bitcoin.
Yeah, $180,000 per coin before the Bitcoin halving. That's what these guys are analyzing.
Right, but didn't sorry to cut you off. Didn't that one guy say it was gonna go below? Like, where's that one guy you were talking about that said it was gonna go to $9,000?
Oh, Gareth Soloway.
Oh.
He still says there's a potential. He says he doesn't see it anymore, but he does say that it's. I haven't seen any of his videos lately, but he does say that there's still a potential that it could drop that low. And then there's another analyst that are saying World War III already started.
No way. Wait,
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, the SEC looks to appeal Ripple ruling. Yeah. So here they're saying Bitcoin could hit 180,000 before the Bitcoin halving on April 2024. So that'll be crazy if it does happen before the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving is April of next year.
That's tough, dude, because I mean it might just happen because that's before the presidential election, right? The presidential election's not until November, so it's still off.
Yeah. Because usually the only way I could see it hit that high is if BlackRock gets the ETF, because those guys have like trillions of dollars. That's the only way I see that Bitcoin could go that high, is if we start getting ETFs where all these big money managers could buy Bitcoin. Yeah, so that would be a 500% price hike, or a 5x in less than. So what's we had? Okay, right now we're month 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 months. When April's the so we got like less than half, like about half a year for this to happen. That's crazy, dude. Like you could like quintuple your money in half a year with Bitcoin.
That's, what is it at right now? Like 20,000?
Yeah, it's a 29,000. That's good.
With one coin, you get like 100 grand. For each coin,
Yeah.
each coin you get 100.
Yeah, so if you buy 10, if you could find a way to buy 10 coins, you will be a millionaire with Bitcoin.
However much money is worth in your country. There it is.
Yeah, so that's all I got for that one. And then this one was pretty interesting. The Argentinian peso touches historic low. And so apparently a lot of people in Brazil are using Tether.
But
Yeah,
yes.
80%. Tether dominated more than 80% of Brazilian crypto market during quarter 1 and quarter 2 of 2023.
Oh,
So that means that there's a lot of money in Brazil just waiting to buy something, either Bitcoin or other altcoins.
what about the news right there in the bottom?
Oh, yeah, this one, Binance becomes a fully licensed exchange in El Salvador. I didn't even see this one.
That's crazy.
Binance, the cryptocurrency behemoth, has announced it has become fully licensed cryptocurrency exchange in El Salvador. It received 2 operational licenses, a Bitcoin service provider license and a digital assets services provider license.
Update, Eric, on the remember the Bitcoin machine they had over there? Crib?
Yeah.
It's
No?
gone. It's gone, G. It's gone.
They took it down?
Check it out, man.
I guess regulation, or it's just
Probably
it's just
heavily
confusing.
taxed. Probably extremely heavily taxed.
Yeah, it's probably not a lot of profits. Cause I was thinking of opening up a Bitcoin ATM business, but it's like the regulations isn't really clear. So here's an interesting one for crypto and gold. So Zimbabwe central banks say gold-backed tokens said to be used for transactional purposes. So this is gonna be a stable coin backed by real gold. But the problem with this is, like, according to history, like, gold has always been the most. Gold could be easily corrupted. You have, let's say you have an ounce of gold, you deposit at the bank and you get a receipt, right? Or you get your dollars as a receipt and you just transact in your receipts. So the bank will loan that to other people. And then once everybody tries to get their gold back, the bank doesn't have the money. And they get bankrupt and there's a bank run.
Because
So I don't
everybody's
know
trying to
how I
get the
feel
money.
about these backed tokens that are 1-to-1. Cause that's kind of what happened with USDC. Remember when it depegged?
Well, because of those banks.
Yeah, because of those banks. As one of the banks went down, then USDC did not have the funds to back the USDC coin, and because the bank collapsed, so it didn't have the fund. So it's kind of the same concept with this. It's gonna be coins, a coin that's backed by gold, which is a decent idea, but I don't know. And then they're saying 70% willing to use CBDCs. So
That's sad.
yeah. And here's another one. You know, they're doing, if they do stable coins backed by gold, that means that there's gonna be more demand for gold. So now we got this article saying that gold could reach $2,500 an ounce. Yeah. And then with the whole BRICS thing doing the same thing, trying to back their currency by some gold and like metals and stuff like that, we could see some gold. Yeah, right now it's 1900 per ounce. Yeah, silver's been boring, dude. It's been at 22 for like ever.
I think everybody. Well, now I'm only speaking for us, right? Like we analyzed gold and stuff, and we saw how like nobody made a fucking profit in 50 years. I think we're just like, yeah, no, gold's better. Gold's better. Silver.
Gold, yeah, gold is better than silver.
There's nothing you can do with silver.
Let me see. Yeah, like once you start seeing like the history and the charts, it's like, do I really want to buy silver?
Oh,
It's like right here, back in what 1979, silver was almost $50, and we haven't recovered.
Well, I mean, $50 back in the days, back in '79, was probably worth more, right?
Yeah, you could have bought more stuff than you could buy now.
The dollar was.
Yeah. So. Yeah, I don't know about silver. I guess unless we pass this yellow line or we pass $30, I don't think silver's going anywhere. And with gold, like gold has been decent. Like gold has, like over the time, it's been getting more and more expensive. You know, like right here, gold was $20. Yeah, gold was $20 back in the 80s. And then it went up, and then it constantly keeps going up. Like gold has a nice chart that's been going up consistently. Yeah, it goes down, but it'll go up consistently with gold. We at the 15-minute mark. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, let's go to the. Oh, let's watch this one. You can't hear it? So she was pretty much saying that with stable coins that are controlled by governments and other entities, they freeze your account. Like PayPal has frozen your money before. If you were to say, oh, something dealing with COVID, they would censor you and they would censor your account. You wouldn't be able to transact using PayPal back then. So what's stopping them from doing it now? So that's what she's talking about, the whole with PayPal and the whole stablecoin thing. All right, let's just do our portfolios. Oh, I'm not logged in. Damn it! Don't watch me. Let me stop streaming the thing. I think it was. Yeah, I don't know why I got kicked out, dude. I don't know why I got kicked out. Let's see. Gecko, where you at? I could hit what?
When you're showing your stream, I can hit a button so that it shows us up on like on the top left corner, and we're smaller, and the entire stream is just your screen, like whatever you're.
Okay, so it's gonna be screen 3. All right, cool. All right, back in business. All right, so Lalo, you are at 1,800. And I am at 1,900. Imagine. But it's crazy, right? Would you have imagined you would have had this much if we just put $10? You save up $10 a day, and then on Sunday, you take all that money, which is $70, and put it into the market. And this is mainly Bitcoin. Your stuff is mainly Bitcoin. No, you can't go wrong with Bitcoin.
$70 a day.
Yeah,
or
Bitcoin's-
$70. What? Eric Rose.
It's like your best bet right now. Huh? Ish. Ah?
You froze for a little bit.
Damn. Alright, so what do you want to do? Bitcoin? Alright, I'll do 70 for Bitcoin. And for me, let me do a little bit of Solana analysis right quick. I want to see what Solana's gonna.
Seen it, like I usually get like notifications from CoinGecko on my phone. It like goes up $30, 27, 20. You know, 24 right now.
Yeah, it's at 24 right now. And it looks like I don't even know. We're just gonna go sideways. I'm just gonna do Bitcoin. I'll just do Bitcoin. Yeah, Solana isn't looking too hot right now. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so look, check this out. We got 1, 2, 3. No, actually, hold on. 1, 2, 3. I guess we could do something like that. So yeah, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we got the ABC, which is 1, 2. Maybe. We'll see. We won't know until we either pass B or C. If it passes B, then we're good. If it passes C, then we're bad. It all depends where it goes.
Good, so that means star on it.
So, all right, man. That's it for today. All right, see ya, yo.